Happy Wednesday. Hi again. We're going to practice making 5 again today. Yesterday I was holding my 10 frame this way horizontally. Today I'm just going to turn it and hold it vertically so it's going up and down. And I want you to tell me how many more to make 5. So if I put on 2 circles, how many more do I need to add to make 5? Think first. Did you say 3? Let's check. 1, 2, 3. You're correct. 2 and 3 makes 5. Let's try another one. This time, I'm going to start with 4 circles on my 5 frame, since we're just using the one side. And how many more do I need to add to make 5? 1. So I had 4 and 1 more makes 5. Let's try it again. This time, I have my vertical 10 frame here. Remember, we're only working on one side to make 5. And I'm going to start with 3 circles. How many do I need to add to make 5? 2? Let's see. You're right. 3 and 2 makes 5. How about if I start with only 1 circle? Now how many should I add to get to 5? This is a little trickier. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4 makes 5. Great job. Now yesterday we started talking about those 3D shapes, right? We had the cube and the cylinder. We had the cone. And then that one that keeps rolling away, the sphere. Okay? So I'm going to give you a clue, and I'm going to use my Play-Doh to build a shape for you. And the shape that I'm going to make is a solid. It can roll. It has 0 corners and 0 edges. So I've got my Play-Doh here, and I'm going to make it into a solid 3D shape that has no corners, no edges, and can roll. So think, what shape do you think I'm trying to make? Did you say sphere? You would be correct. I'm trying to make a ball, a round ball shape with my Play-Doh to make it in the shape of a sphere. And we know that spheres have no flat sides, no edges. They are round and they roll. Okay, so if you have Play-Doh at home, you could be making these 3D solid shapes as well. Whoops. Now we're going to look at those shapes a little more today and investigate them and learn another word for part of them. Let's look first at the cone. So I have some that are a little bigger today. And you'll notice, remember they have that flat side that's in the shape of a circle? And for the 3D shapes, when they have a flat side, we call that its face. So a cone only has one face. So it has one flat side. We see it has one point, and then its edges or sides are curved. Okay, so here's our cone, and it has one face. Okay, let's take a look at the cylinder. Okay, so here I have a cylinder. There's one face. There's another face. So a cylinder has two faces in the shape of a circle. Its edges or sides are round, so it doesn't have any straight edges, right? No corners. This shape is called a cylinder. I can stack the two faces together. I can stack the face of my cone and the face of my cylinder, and now I stacked my shapes. 3D shapes will also slide on those faces. So a cylinder slides on its flat face. The cone can slide, right? Do you think I could stack the cone on its point? Nope, didn't work, did it? So we have to stack on the faces. Let's try another one. Let's look at the sphere. So I have a red sphere here. Do you see any flat sides there? No, there are no faces on a sphere because it is all the way round. Okay, so it definitely rolls. A sphere rolls for sure. Does it stack? No. The cylinder rolls on its round sides. It slides on its flat faces, but the sphere doesn't stack or slide. It just rolls. Okay? And our last three-dimensional shape is the cube. And you'll see the cube has lots of faces. Each side of a cube is in the shape of a square. We know a square is a flat two-dimensional shape. And so then a cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. So there's squares all the way around on the top and the bottom. So we would say that a cube has 6 faces. Okay, I'm going to try stacking the cube on my cylinder. Does that work? It does, because I'm taking 2 flat sides and putting them together. Do you think the cube can slide? It does slide. How about roll? No, it's got edges and corners, so the cube does not roll very well. Okay, so did you find some things in your home? Now you can go back and get that can of soup and count. How many flat sides does it have? 2, so we could say it has 2 faces. Maybe you could practice stacking, rolling, and sliding your 3D shapes. Let your teachers know what you're finding at home. Have a great day.